Well, hello, my students. Today I want to get you to think. Of course, this is Monday. I told you I'd be making video today, and we're going to do Thursday too that you're expected to watch. You'll probably see this on a test sometime. No test this week, though. I'm going to give you a break. Now, if P is an endpoint and M is the midpoint of a segment, find the other endpoint. So a little bit different way of doing this. So go ahead and freeze the video right here and do these two problems and then turn me back on. Okay, there's a mathematical way of doing this and there's a thought way of doing this. So M is the midpoint, means it's right between. One way of doing this is saying, what is the midpoint formula? Well, it's x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2 equals the midpoint. So you could do this. Just look at this part of it. So it'd be 0 plus I don't know over 2 has to equal the midpoint number. So you multiply by 2, you'd have x equals 4. Then you could do that algebraically again with the y's. So it'd be the y number 0 plus y over 2 equals 5. So y equals 10. Now a mental way of doing this is to say, wait, middle point means the one right in the middle. So if this is 2 units below, this has to be 2 units above. 5 units below, this has to be 5 units above. So this one, this is 3 above, so this has to be 3 below. This is 5 below, so this has to be 5 above. So if you want to do it mentally, that's okay. Or you could go, okay, 4 plus the x over 2 equals 1. So 4 plus x equals 2, so x equals negative 2. 3 above, 3 below. So negative 2 plus x over 2 equals 3. So negative 2 plus x equals 6, multiplied by 2. So x equals 8. 5 below, 8 is 5 above. It's the same distance away. Thought problem. Ooh, I like thinking. Find the distance between the 2 points. So go ahead and figure that out and then turn me back on. Okay, I don't know why people have such a hard time with this, but they do every year. So you go 7 minus 3 squared plus 8 square root of 2 minus 5 square root of 2. Brings us back to second quarter, don't it? So this would be 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 squared is 16. 8 squared of 2, 5 squared of 2. I'm going to do another step with this. Would be 3 squared of 2 squared. So 3 squared is 9. Square root of 2 squared is 2. 2 times 9 is 18. So this would be the square root of 34. Then does any perfect squares go into 34? Let's see, 2 and 17. No, I don't see any. I do not. So that would be your answer. So 2 problems just to try to get you to think a little bit on your day off. Tomorrow we're going to start the graphing. Hoo-hoo. I like graphing. I like graphing. Have a